Civil danger warning for the entire of the United States. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. An emergency was declared for the entire country of the United States. A year ago, an army now known as Lord Garmadon's Shark Army came from the moving in Jago and made its way to the real life and is attacking everywhere. Many deaths, like 990, have been reported in the following states: New Hampshire, Maine, Massachusetts, California, Washington, Florida, and Oregon. Shark Army Squid Mech, Shark Army Aircraft Mantis, Shark Army Crab Army has also been reported attacking and a catastrophic damage has been reported. The following impacted places includes San Francisco, California, Los Angeles, California, San Diego, California, Fresno, California, San Luis Obispo, California, Nashville, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Las Vegas, Nevada, Salt Lake City, Utah, Boise, Idaho, Great Falls, Montana, Bismarck, North Dakota, Portland, Oregon, Seattle, Washington, Yakima, Washington, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Chicago, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, Springfield, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Cleveland, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, Columbus, Ohio, Zanesville, Ohio, Detroit, Michigan, Ann Arbor, Michigan, Lansing, Michigan, Miami, Florida, Orlando, Florida, Tallahassee, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, Macon, Georgia, Savannah, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, New Orleans, Louisiana, Lafayette, Louisiana, Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Uvalde, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Phoenix, Arizona, Flagstaff, Arizona, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Columbus, South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, Durban, North Carolina, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, Asheville, North Carolina, Shelby, North Carolina, Richmond, Virginia, Charlottesville, Virginia, Roanoke, Virginia, Morgantown, West Virginia, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Newark, New Jersey, Casper, Wyoming, Dover, Delaware, Wilmington, Delaware, New York City, New York, Albany, New York, Rochester, New York, Buffalo, New York, Ithaca, New York, Upton, New York, Lincoln, Nebraska, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Burlington, Vermont, Montpelier, Vermont, Boston, Massachusetts, Worcester, Massachusetts, Hartford, Connecticut, Bridgeport, Connecticut, New London, Connecticut, Concord, New Hampshire, Manchester, New Hampshire, Portsmouth, New Hampshire, Portland, Maine, Augusta, Maine, Booth Bay Harbor, Maine, and Bangor, Maine. Please take shelter and stay safe from Lord Garmadon's and his Shark Army. The ninjas will try their best to defend our country from Lord Garmadon. All normal program has been suspended until further notice.